Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Najwan bin Muhammad AZHAR. I'm from Group 9 and today I will present about the introduction. Mathematics is a frequent strategy for resolving problems with unknown variables. As engineering students, we will use our skill to design or develop a product that will make life easier for humans, such as a robot. As a result, problem-based learning (PBL) is one of the alternative lectures available to assist students in putting their studies into practice. Like in a nutshell, algebra is a beneficial subject to learn for future engineers who want to expand their expertise. We use the geometric progression and arithmetic progression method to answer the problem in this problem-based learning (PBL). A few differences between geometric progression and arithmetic progression are: geometric progression has the same common ratio throughout, does not have common difference, a new term is the product of the previous term, and the common ratio. An infinite geometric sequence in either divigate or conjugate. The variation of the term is nonlinear, while arithmetic progression does not have common ratio, has the same common difference throughout. A new term is the addition of the previous term and the common difference. An infinite arithmetic sequence is divigate. The variation of the term is linear. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is NATASHA binti YUSRAN. Today I would like to explain about filler table for question 1. Firstly, fact. My friend and I want to start an online toast business. We want to have 2 new members each. The 2 new members will be our downline or second generation. We also target to have 2 new members in each generation to grow up our online business. Second is idea. Sketch a diagram to represent member for the next using sequence and series formula. To find the difference, use formula Tn equal AR power n minus 1. For the last, write a conclusion based on the answers. One is learning issue. First, which topic must use to solve the question? Second, how to make a downline diagram. Third, how to know calculation technique. Next, which formula suitable for the calculation. And the last, why is A symbol, R symbol, and N symbol.
You and a friend want to start an online toys business. Both of you have 2 new members, each as downline or as the second generation. Assume that each generation is employed to get 2 new members. First, draw a diagram. The question is, draw a diagram representing the members from the first generation to the third generation. From the diagram, for the first generation, we celebrate for 2 and we get 2 generation. And with the third generation, we get celebrate for 2 and we get third generation. We get for the third generation, we celebrate with 2 and we get 4th generation. In the diagram, what is the difference between generation? So we must do a formula general geometry. With the A is 2 and R is 2. Generation 1, we just put numbers in the formula and we get 2. And generation 2 we get 4, generation 3 we get 8, generation 4 we get 16. And generation short, solution different, we just solution different, we minus 16 minus 8 minus 4 and minus 2, and we get 2. For the next question, what is the ratio of the third generation with the first generation, the third generation with the third generation? So we just ratio third ratio 1, we get 4, 2, and we simplify, we get 2 ratio 1. With the third and second generation, third we get 8, and second we get 4. So the ratio is 8 ratio 4. We simplify to 2 ratio 1.
My name is NURZAHIRAH Nadia binti ZAINI. The conclusion for the question 1 is, this is a geometric series and each generation must discover 2 additional members for the next. Each total of the generation can be found by using geometric progression formula.
Hello, my name is Muhammad HARITH bin ZAINI. Now I will continue this presentation by for the filler table question 2. Filler table is divided into three parts, which is facts, idea, and learning issue. For the facts, there are six facts that we can get from this question. The first fact is the electric device price is RM699.99. My roommate's saving for the first month is RM300. For the third fact is her or his saving will increase for RM50 for each month. The fourth fact is list the total amount of saving for the fourth month. Number 5 is find the difference between each month. Number 6 is what is the ratio of the second month with the first month and fourth month with third month. Now for the idea, there are 5 ideas that we can get from this question too. The first idea is we can calculate the total money my roommate save for the next 4 months by using arithmetic progression. We can use the formula of sum of arithmetic progression, which is Sn equal to n over 2 in bracket 2a plus in bracket 2 minus 1 times d. For the third idea is we can use general formula for arithmetic progression to find the total money for each month, which is Tn equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 times d. For the fourth idea is we divide the answer for each month to get the difference. The fifth idea is data A divided by data B to get the ratio. Now for the last one is learning issue. There are 6 learning issues that we get when solving this question too. The first issue is what method used to calculate the total money my roommate had saved for the 4 months. The second issue is which formula is the most suitable for the calculation. The third issue is how to use the formula correctly. The fourth issue is what is the first term and the common difference that we can get from this question. Number 5 is where we can get the data from. And the last issue is does the first ratio is the same with the second ratio. That's all from me. Now my friends will continue the presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad IRFAN bin SAMSUDIN. I will continue this PBL with question 2. The statement is your roommate want to buy electronic device which costs 699 or 99 cut. Oh yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad IRFAN bin SAMSUDIN. I will continue this PBL with the question 2. The statement is your roommate want to buy an electronic device which costs 699 and 99 cent ringgit. The first month he or she save RM300. Each month after your roommate saving increase RM50 ringgit. So the question is list the total amount money your roommate save for the first 4 months. From the statement given, the first month is RM300 ringgit and it will increase RM50 ringgit for the next month. So the second month it will be RM350 ringgit. So the third month it will be RM400 and the fourth month it will be RM450 ringgit. So the formula is Sn equal n divide 2 bracket 2 multiply to A plus bracket n minus 1 and multiply to D. So from the question and the statement, the question want the first 4 months, so n equal to 4 and A equal to 300 and D equal to 50. So we just put that information into the formula. So S4 equal 4 divide 2 bracket 2 multiply to 300 plus bracket 4 minus 1 and multiply to 50. So the answer is S4 equal to 1,500. So the total saving for the first 4 months is RM 1,500 ringgit. And continue to question B1. What is difference between each month? The difference formula is Tn equal A plus bracket n minus 1 multiply to D. So we know that A equal to 300 and D equal to 50. So we know that the first month is 300. So we need to get a second month value. So the second month value is by using this formula. So we just put the information into the formula. So T2 equal 300 plus bracket 2 minus 1 multiply to 50. So the value of the second month is 350. So the difference between the second month and the first month is 350 minus to 300. So the difference between that 2 months is RM 50. Next, we need get the third month value. So it is just same like the second month. We need to put the information into the formula. So T3 equal 300 plus bracket 3 minus 1 multiply to 50. So the value for the third month is 400. And the difference between the third month and second month is 400 minus to 350. So the difference between these 2 months is RM 50 ringgit. And next, we need to get a fourth month. So just same, we just put information into the formula. So the solution is T4 equal 300 plus bracket 4 minus 1 multiply to 50. So the answer is T4 equal 450. So the difference between these 2 months is 450 minus to 400, and the answer is 50 ringgit. So the difference between each month is RM 50 ringgit. Next, question B2. What is the ratio of the second month with the first month, the third month with the second month? So at this question, we know that second month is 350 and for the first month is 300. So we just divide these two value to 50 and we get 7 ratio to 6. And for the third month and the second month is 400 and 350. So just same, divide to 50 and we get 8 ratio to 7.
My name is NURZAHIRAH Nadia binti ZAINI. The conclusion for question 2 is we can use arithmetic progression to solve the problem. For the question A, we can use formula Sn equal n per 2 open bracket 2 multiply A plus open bracket N minus 1 close bracket multiply D close bracket. For question B, we can use the formula Tn equal A plus open bracket N minus 1 close bracket multiply D. N in the formula is stand for the number of term in the progression, while A is stand for the first term in the progression. The first term for this question is 300. D is stand for the common difference in the progression. The common difference in the progression is 50. So, we can conclude that she now have enough money to buy the new electronic device.